Diving into STEAM this summer, MedTech7 is hosting its annual summer camp for elementary and middle school students from across the district. This year's theme has students making waves as they take part in 4 different classes focusing on protecting waterways.
I'm learning about how to use STEAM in order to benefit our environment.
I think it's awesome to be here. The favorite thing to me is with the technology. I get to figure out different stuff.
In this class, students are designing and building water filtration systems, trying to get the water as clean as possible.
We are making a water filter to make the water cleaner. We're using coffee filters to make it filter out all the dirt and stuff, and then we're using gravel to catch the little small sediments. And then we're using the sand to catch the smaller ones. And then we use the gauze to catch all the sand that's coming with the water. And then we use the net to catch the big chunks.
Students are taking a unique look at weather using Z-Books.
We were learning about hurricanes and how the northern air does not connect with the southern air and they turn in different spirals. With the Z-Space, we could look closely at how everything works and how tornadoes can form close up, and it was really fun.
In this art class, students are mixing paint to match the colors on a water quality test strip.
We were testing water. It was strips that we would put in the water and they would change colors, but in art class we were making colors that matched on the color strip.
And students are using the engineering and design process as they use materials like rubber bands, toothpicks, and more to create a system that will help filter water for people in Africa.
We're learning how to filter water since there's some people in Africa that need water and they can't get correct filter systems to make it right. We're using a certain budget to make sure we are making it affordable and easy to make.
The students know these STEAM skills they're learning now will benefit their futures.
Because it could help us with our future careers that we want to go to that involve STEAM. And it could give us an edge on what we want to do in life.
This is a second week-long STEAM camp offered by MedTech7 this summer. Earlier this month, a different group of students took part in the camp at Ladies Island Middle School.
Is there anything else you would change?
At Whale Branch Early College High School, Round Oaks, Beaufort County School District.
So less rocks, less sand.